Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down gadgets in a simple, honest, and hands-on way. Today we're looking at the Dwifocor 2-pack wireless PS4 controllers. A budget-friendly pair that claims to deliver the full PlayStation experience without the premium price tag. If you're thinking of replacing an old controller or adding extras for friends and family, this might be one worth considering. So let's get right into it. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the color combo, white and orange. It's a clean, modern look with just enough personality to stand out next to your original Sony controllers. Each controller is built with an ergonomic design and a soft touch grip. When you actually hold it, you can feel that it's designed for longer play sessions. Your hands settle in naturally, and after a while you almost forget you're holding something new. Now let's talk performance. Dwifocor promises no drift joysticks, and during testing the analog sticks stayed smooth and accurate. Moving a character, aiming, or navigating menus feels responsive. The buttons have a snappy, springy feel, no mushiness, and the built-in 6-axis motion sensor reacts quickly whether you're tilting during a racing game or aiming in a shooter. There's no noticeable lag or delayed input, and that's important because budget third-party controllers often struggle in this area. Here, everything stayed locked in and consistent. The dual shock vibration is also surprisingly solid. You get impactful rumble feedback during crashes, hits, explosions. Pretty much the full haptic experience you expect from a PS4 controller. It makes action games feel immersive, and nothing cuts out randomly or feels uneven. Compatibility is straightforward. These controllers work with the PS4, PS4 Slim, and PS4 Pro. But you can also use them with Windows, Android, iOS, and Mac. So whether you're gaming on console or pairing it with a mobile device, setup is simple and it connects without any drama. One thing many players worry about is battery life, especially in long sessions. Dwifocor claims 8 to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, and that estimate holds up pretty well. You can game through a long evening or a solid weekend session without needing to plug in constantly. Recharge time is reasonable, and once it's full, you're ready for another long run. If you're someone who plays with family or has friends over, getting 2 controllers in one package is a solid value. They feel consistent, they perform well together, and they make multiplayer nights easy. And if you're looking for a gift for a gamer, kids, teens, adults, this is actually a pretty practical one because it's fun, useful, and doesn't break the bank. So who is this for? Anyone who wants an affordable alternative to the official DualShock controllers without sacrificing the core features. Smooth controls, vibration feedback, motion sensing, comfortable grip, and reliable wireless performance. Whether you need replacements, backups, or just want to expand your setup, this 2-pack gives you coverage without overspending. That wraps up today's review of the Dwifocor 2-pack wireless PS4 controllers. If you want more deep dives into gaming gear, budget tech, and honest performance breakdowns, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.